Alright everyone, so I just watched chapter 6 of Life on Our Planet called Out of the Ashes. This one kind of focuses on the destruction of Earth when the meteor hits. The description reads, the dinosaurs met their end with a cataclysmic asteroid impact. Rising from the ashes, birds reinvented themselves into a dynasty 10,000 species strong. So it kind of focuses on how birds came into existence, you know, starting with Ankylosaurus, which jumps off a cliff and, you know, using powered flight, kind of glides through. Oh, this was such a cool shot, the Pliosaur dead. A bit weird to say that, but, you know, then we had terror birds in the end. Anyway, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you later. Bye, everyone.